I'm sharing this video because all you boat owners out there, you already know why I got this transmission fluid in there soaking. But I'm trying to get this damper off, and so I didn't know what thread size this was in here. So I had this random bolt. So let me just screw this in here. It fit in perfectly, no problem. So I go to Home Depot, Lowe's. First thing I did was go over to the section where the bolts is, and I took this screw in a little test fit, and it went in M10 by 1. No problem. Went straight in, wasn't wobbly, anything. So I said, this must be the bolt that I need. Not this long, but this is the one I need. So I did that. I went to 4 Lowe's, 3 Home Depots, couldn't find a metric bolt M10 by 1. So then I'm like, all right, something is wrong here. This is like forever. So then I started to do a cross reference, and M10 by 1 is a metric. And it dawned on me, this motor is from an 86 or 89, somewhere along in there, 3.0 Mercury engine. So I said, well, maybe that's the problem, because they don't have metrics back in the 80s. It was all English stuff. And then I did a cross reference into the manual, and lo and behold, I don't know if you can see that, right there it says 3.8 about 24. So then I'm thinking, well, why did the metric one work? The metric one worked because it's very close. That's all right. Then I found some more bolts, the 3/8 inch by 24 inch one, which is a fine thread. It's a fine thread one. So I'm trying to do this with one hand here. It's a fine thread bolt. And I wasted like a day looking for an M10 by 1, which would have worked, but obviously that ain't too, what's the word I'm looking for? That ain't too readily available, but these 3/8 by 24, which is a fine thread, worked. So now I can finally get this damper off here. It's a junkyard motor. The one I have is cracked. That's still in the boat, so the block is cracked. So this one seemed to be okay, except I had a lot of rust in one of the cylinders here. So I'm thinking it's seized up, but I'll let it soak for a while. It's still better than the one that I had, because the block is cracked. So the block is cracked. Nothing I can do about that. That's the motor is done. I'm gonna try to take this off here. Get them all evenly lined up here. This may have a problem going in, going a little further with this one. All right, it's gonna be all touching now. That's about right. All right, here goes nothing. So we can get this thing off of here. Oh, that thing's tight. Oh, there we go. Heard that crack? I mean, it's coming off. Why they got this press fit? Hope I ain't crack it. Can't grease it up or nothing because it's so much tight towel. There it go. It's coming off now. You see it moving out right there. It's slow, but it's coming. It says it's a special tool that Mercury makes, but any three-way remover works. And that is that. Okay, so that's off of there. Wow. All right. Okay, cool. On with the next, I guess. So this block, this cast number on here is, you can see that in that, 2770087. I'm not sure what year this is. If any of y'all know what year this block is, 2770087. And the serial number